If you look at what Oppo is doing with the Find N6, it genuinely feels like they're trying to outclass Samsung's Z Fold 7 in multiple areas at once. While Samsung is refining its formula with its upcoming Fold 8 and Wide Fold, Oppo seems to be pushing harder, bringing stylus support to a slim foldable, heavily marketing what they claim is a near-invisible crease, packing in a seriously ambitious camera setup, and now even confidently showing off water exposure in promos. It's not just one upgrade. It's Oppo stacking features in key pain point areas where foldables usually compromise. On paper at least, this feels less like a small iteration and more like a statement. The latest video where the device is dipped into a pool feels like it's doing more than just highlighting a creaseless display. Yes, the camera clearly focuses on how flat the inner screen looks under reflections, but the fact that Oppo shows the phone submerged, even in a shallow dip, feels bold for a foldable. It comes across as a subtle way of reinforcing the durability message without overdoing it. Foldables haven't exactly been known for water confidence, so even showing that level of exposure sends a message: we're not scared of this. And this crease narrative, Oppo has been hammering it from every angle. Factory tours, previews, teaser images, taglines like "smooth as a river," the entire build-up centers around one idea: that inner display is extremely flat. Several outlets have already positioned that as the headline feature of the Find N6. Alongside those teasers, multiple outlets, citing Oppo executives and company posts, are confirming camera details. The Find N6 is being presented with a high-end Hasselblad-tuned imaging focus and a multi-camera rear module. Reports list a 200-megapixel main sensor plus additional 50-megapixel cameras, an ultra-wide, and a multispectral sensor. The camera claims have become a major talking point in previews and rumor write-ups. Several reliable leak sources have converged on core hardware rumors: an approximately 8.12-inch 2K internal LTPO foldable and a approximately 6.62-inch cover display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 as the likely SoC, and a very large battery. Many leaks mention around 5850 to 6000 mAh. Those spec leaks also mention up to 16 GB RAM and large storage options. Fast wired and wireless charging have been mentioned too, though numbers vary across reports, so we'll need official confirmation on that. And about launch, mid-March is the window everyone keeps repeating. Multiple sources point to March 17th, 2026 for a China unveiling. It's not stamped as official yet, so treat it as a strong leak for now. But when different outlets converge on the same date, it usually means we're close. Well, that's it for this video. Drop your thoughts below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.